Here we are. Oh, hello. Well, here we are with the Gabicci in black and mint. Any first thoughts, Ria?
Yeah, I think it's beautiful. I really love the mint with a contrast with the black. And you've obviously got the cream stripes in there. I think it's like a little pastel sweet.
It's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah,
it's got a real nice thing. What would you team it up with?
Firstly, a pair of black trousers. And I actually think a pair of Ashcrofts. You've got yourself a really beautiful look there.
Yeah, I think that's a nice outfit.
Yourself.
You were talking about perhaps putting it with the princes?
Oh, yes. So probably a pair of princes if you're going to go out kind of for some drinks. I think that would look really good.
Yeah.
Of a nice evening sort of look.
Yeah, I think I tend to agree with you. You could put the princes with a pair of jeans and you've still got quite a nice look there.
Yeah.
You know, it's good.
And how would you wear that? Would you wear it as like a top or would you have it undone?
Well, it's a fair point. I've worn mine. I tend to wear it like I'm wearing this as a top.
Yeah.
But I have my friends, like Simon, when he comes in here, he'll undo that and put a white T-shirt under it.
Yeah.
And I think that looks really nice.
Very versatile.
Yeah, it's a very versatile top. I had mine on over the weekend. Let me get up to the close-up so you can see it. Let's have a look, see if it can focus. So you can get that colour in there. Is it sharp? It's trying to be. There we go.
Yeah, really, really lovely.
Really
it's a real
nice.
nice kind of spring top, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely. I'm really close on that. I'm conscientious that we can see that. Let's pull it out a bit so you can see it.
And I think on the camera there, it's just a little bit more green, isn't it?
It is, yeah. That's probably, it's our TV in here. It makes it look very green. It's more mint. It's definitely more mint, isn't it? Yeah.
And
anyway,
it's very lightweight, isn't it?
It's nice.
Comfy.
Yeah, it's an evening thing. I think this is what I call smart casual.
Yeah.
You know, it's got evening meal and all that written over it. So, Gabicci, and this one's in mint and cream.